What's up everybody? Today we will take a look on chip because for the past 2 weeks we are retesting this bearish order block area, and in my opinion, if we are gonna see here breakout with a support confirmation, I am actually expecting here another move up. So in this video we will take a look on the exact potential trading setups that I'm currently watching here, and also I will let you know about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days or weeks. So let's start today on a 4-hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now I'm watching here this bearish order block, which is between level 0.0457 and 0.0399. For this position to be valid, there needs to be a breakout with a support confirmation of this area, which means at least like 2 4-hour candles needs to close above. Stop loss in this case you want to place just under this bearish order block, and last take profit targets in this case I will be probably placing let's say above this previous important high. So I will be speculating here for a liquidity grab. And if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. This trade itself is gonna give you risk reward ratio around 5, which is in my opinion not bad, but keep in mind that in a trade like this you need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits I'm definitely planning to take under this previous important highs, then under this previous important highs, under these highs, then I want to save some back to a last take profit target. So for this potential trade I want to take around like 5-6 take profit targets, something like that, which will definitely decrease the potential risk reward ratio to like 3.8, something like that. But in my opinion this trade is still worth taking it. So for now on a 4-hour chart I'm waiting here for a breakout, support confirmation. If 2 4-hour candles will close above, stop loss under this bearish order block, so on this exact level, last take profit targets slightly above this previous important high, because we are speculating here for this liquidity grab. Of course there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna see here this breakout with a support confirmation, and of course we can see here another move down. For this, I am watching a 12-hour chart. You can see that here we are having this bullish order block, which is between level 0.0350 and 0.0302. So here I'm actually waiting for a liquidity grab, pullback up, support confirmation. If this will happen, this can be another great potential long entry. Stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's say your stop loss will be around like 10% of a net market. Last take profit targets in this case probably will be above this bearish order block, because on a 12-hour chart you simply want to trade like one important liquidity level, which is under this previous important lows, to another important liquidity level, which is area above this bearish order block, so above the level 0.0511. This trade itself is gonna give you again risk reward ratio around 5.4, but for now we don't know how big the potential fake out will be. This fake out and then a support confirmation can be kinda perfect, so the risk reward ratio will be then around like 7.58, something like that. And of course it can be not that perfect, because we can, for example, have here like a bigger liquidity grab. So with this let's say for risk reward ratio 5 or above, I still want to take this trading setup. And again, keep in mind to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits above this bullish order block, and then you can use the same take profit targets that I showed you with the previous trading setup. So for example, some profits if I'm gonna switch on a 4-hour chart above this bearish order block, some profits you can, for example, take under these previous important highs, which is actually for us the last take profit target. And besides that, some of the profits you can, for example, take around this previous important highs under this bearish order block, last take profit target, as I said, around this level. Beside this trading setup, I am also watching here another one on a 12-hour chart, and this one will be valid after a support confirmation above this bearish order block. So if, for example, we will be able to trade this whole move up and we will close the entire position here after support confirmation, this can be another interesting long opportunity. Stop loss in this case under this bearish order block, last take profit target in this case I will be speculating for this previous important high, so for the level level 0.0758. So this trade is gonna give us potential risk reward ratio around 5.28. Again, in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some profits under this previous important highs, around this previous important lows, this area of increased liquidity under this high, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, you will get kind of similar risk reward ratio for 3.8 if all take profit targets will be hit, which is in my opinion really great. The main reason why I am taking actually multiple take profit targets is that I am able then to manage my position properly. So after I am, for example, taking some of the profits, for example, in this first take profit targets, I am only risking, I'm of course moving my stop loss, and I'm risking only what I made on TP1. So this is basically a risk-free trade. But if this setup, or like if the price will go back again to my entry price and then it will bounce up, because usually we are simply entering on important levels, so this is happening kind of often, I am not gonna get stopped out. And in my opinion, in the long run, this is the best potential way how to trade these swing positions, because of course this is a swing trade, and this trade will be probably open for at least couple of days or weeks. So let's now take a look to a long-term price prediction. As I said, on a 4-hour chart, I'm currently watching this main resistance, so until we will be under this bearish order block on a 4-hour and this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart, we are most likely not gonna see here like a huge pump from these levels, because we first need to break this important resistance. But after this, I think we are kinda having a room for another grow, and I think that's if we are gonna see here an alt season, I think this coin can perform really well, and for me something like $0.1 mark is definitely possible. And for example, if I will be taking here some long position on a 12-hour chart, I will probably take most of my profits under this previous important high, as I said, but some back I can probably keep to that $0.1 mark, which is next important psychological resistance. Do I think we are gonna create a new all-time high? Of course, if there will be enough bullish volume and we are gonna see here, let's say, great community about this, fundamentals of this project will be good, then yeah, definitely we can create a new all-time high. This is still kinda low cap project, so the room for pump is definitely there, but keep in mind that investing in a coin like this is usually very risky. And if you are interested about the exact coins that I'm currently watching, as I said, link to join to my Discord is in the description or in the comments. Another reason why right now this can be a good buying opportunity is actually a total 2 chart, because on a total 2 chart, which is altcoin market cap, we are still retesting this important support area. So like everything in the long run from this area is, in my opinion, simply a good buy, because my main target in the long run is still like this previous level 1.6, and I think if the alt season will continue, we are gonna break this previous important highs and we will go on even higher levels. So if you are, for example, thinking about buying this coin to your let's say long-term portfolio, you always need to do a fundamental analysis, because technical analysis is of course the most important thing if you want to predict the price for a long run. But for example, from a total 2 chart perspective, this is giving us another great signal that we can be buying. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and what is, for example, the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. All important links are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.